Hey guys, in my previous video I showed you how I removed these twists. I thought I lost the footage of me installing them, but turns out here's the video, so let me know what you think. Hey guys, I am here and I'm going to be doing my hair in some kind of twists, Marley twists, I think, Havana twists, Bohemian twists, some kind of twist, but I am reusing hair for not the second, but the third time. So I'm using the same hair. I've done a video, it's already on my channel, where I use this hair to do twists, and it's the Senegalese twist where you start off by twisting your hair. But today I decided to try the rubber band method. I've tried this method with braids before. I didn't love it. I'm thinking because I was doing bigger braids, but I want to try it with twists and see how that goes. So I'm using these rubber bands. I got them in brown, and I'm going to be adding some oil to this container. I've never done this before as far as adding the oil to the rubber bands, but you know how we be doing stuff we see on YouTube. So I saw this on Chef B's channel, and so I am deciding to do it myself. I'm planning on doing, I don't know, 45 to 50 twists. This is olive oil. I am done putting all the rubber bands in my hair. I have 45 rubber bands, which is really good because the last time I used these twists, I had 50 twists. I think that me and the rubber bands in my hair just don't really, they just don't go together because it took me forever to get the partings correct. It took me forever to put the little rubber bands around my hair. Like, no joke, I have done braids in like 3 to 4 hours, like braided my whole hair without rubber bands, and this literally took me 2 hours to do. I don't know. I think it's just me. And then you know what? It's probably because my hair was a tangled hot mess, and that didn't really help me. But I don't know why I keep doing this to myself with these rubber bands. Like, they're like my, I don't know. These rubber bands are like the devil, or like my kryptonite, or my nemesis, or whatever evil thing that tries to take me down. That's what rubber bands are to me. So I'm just gonna clip my hair up. I didn't put these rubber bands tight at all, but when I'm trying to put my hair up, girl, it feels like I already have braids in my hair. What am I gonna put on my hair? Something, because this stuff is dry. Cantu's coconut curling cream, Jamaican black castor oil in the little crevices.
Got you all in your feelings, but do you know if you're happy? Cause that's the card that I'm dealing. You're feeling anxiety, well baby come try me.
Ooh, I just remembered that one thing. I don't think I put crochet braids in my hair. Oh my goodness, it's been a long time. But I forgot that I don't really like the way that the hair feels whenever it goes through the other hair. Like, after I hook it and pull it through, it is so cringy to me. It is equivalent to me scratching my nails on a chalkboard. Like, that noise, the noise and the feeling is so, I don't like it. So I forgot that. It's probably why I don't do this. Okay, so now I'm just gonna twist.
You always tell me to look you up, so why you staying so booed up? I've been thinking about you, pulling you close to my arms, wrapping these hands around you. Who else you gonna love? Nobody. Baby, are you ready? 90s ready. I'm talking key sweat ready.
I have one more braid left. I braid twist. One thing I will say is, if I ever decide to do these twists again, I will not be doing the rubber band method. I know I've done these twice before, and this took extremely too long. I don't understand. I don't know if like the extra step of the crocheting made it longer. I don't know, but I just, it's taken me like at least 6 or 7 hours to just do this part. And that's in addition to the 2 hours that it took me to put all these rubber bands on my hair. Put the hook in there, and I just take like the end of it, kind of fold it on there.
I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you.
So I separate my natural hair.
So much for you. So much for you. But you
And the extensions are already separated in two, so now I have to make sure the rubber band is covered.
already boot up. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already leaving. You're always talking, you're leaving. I've been saying I'm ready, but I don't think you believe it. It's like you're looking for reasons.
Towards the end, I'm applying gel. The end of my hair is about right here, so I just want to make sure my ends stay in the twist. At the moment, I'm just like literally done and mentally done with my hair. I don't even know if I like it. So I'm just going to go to bed and try to wake up with the positive attitude. And then maybe tomorrow I will feel differently. But of course, I will inform you all what I think.
It's catching up, 'cause you already got booed up. Joy, joy.